Tailwind CSS isn't just about predefined utility classes. It's also incredibly flexible thanks to its just-in-time compiler, also known as JIT. So let us look at it with an example. Let's say you want to give this H1 a font size of 13 pixels, which is not a predefined Tailwind utility. Normally, you would have to give it an inline style or give it a class. But with the JIT compiler, you can do this instead. Text -13 pixels within square brackets in the H1 tag itself, just like this. So, let us understand what just happened here. Here, any value you want you can apply, and the JIT compiler will automatically apply it, which will be added to the generated CSS. Removing all unused style, keeping only the used one, keeping your CSS bundled as small as possible. The JIT compiler optimizes performance, generating only what you need. It gives you faster build time because it doesn't need to compile thousands of lines of CSS of different classes. The JIT compiler generates styles, which means that Tailwind only uses the exact style. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, do hit like button and subscribe to Innovative Stack.